How to redeem Grubhub gift card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem Grubhub gift card. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser. Now head over to grubhub.com. Once you're here, click on the sign in option. Then enter your email address. Now enter your password and click on the sign in option in order to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in and you want to redeem your Grubhub gift card, simply click on this profile icon and from all of these options, click on the gift cards option. Now you're going to be landing on this page. Here, click on the option of redeem a gift card. As soon as you click on this option, this box is going to pop up. Here, you want to enter the 17 character of your gift card code, which will be very easily available on your physical gift card. Now click on the add to my account option. If the code you have entered is valid, that amount is going to be added on your account and it's going to show up over here on the total gift card balance. Now you can simply head over back to Grubhub. Then you can add as many items as you want in your cart. Now during the checkout process, you can use your gift card balance to purchase the item. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.